Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm here at 5 Labs, which is one of the premier orthopedic research facilities in the United States, and I'm actually looking at a piece of technology that is rehab related. It's called the AllCore 360. I'm here with the co-founder and inventor, Dr. Scott Bertrand. So let's take a look at what's new in the realm of core stability.
This is the AllCore 360. The purpose of the AllCore 360 is train the entire core. The core literally starts under your chin and you sit on the bottom part of your core. So what human beings are just cores with arms and legs plugged in. What the AllCore 360 is actually is a 360-degree plank using his body's weight against the resistance of gravity, which is how we're designed to function and how we're designed to perform. So as soon as I tilt him back, this becomes a plank. So his position is sitting straight up. He's got his arms like this. We're going to raise his arms. What this is going to do is cause contraction of the rhomboids back here to make it a more complete exercise. That's a perfect posture. As soon as we tilt him back, game's on. Okay, instantly what's happening, whether he knows it or not, or knows the names of the muscles or not, every muscle of his anterior compartment has to contract to keep his body off that back pad. Those muscles are designed to maintain his weight against gravity. That's what's happening. It was 100% anterior. As it's turning, it goes 100%, then 90%, 10%, 80%, 20%, until eventually we're all the way over to the left lateral compartment. This portion here is most difficult. We find that the abs are stronger, or maybe we do more ab work in the gym. As we start to turn, the obliques are the weakest. So the transition between the abs and the obliques gets really difficult for most of us. But as we turn face down, most of us will notice that the erectors are much stronger than the abs, and then that will get easy. So that's just screaming to the patron, to the doctor, to whoever's using the machine, the imbalance that we're trying to fix. We can also modify or moderate how we kind of challenge him. We can make it go just as right oblique, just as left oblique, or all the way around, depending on what his particular needs are. It's a cardiovascular exercise. Here's something that's great about this. You know, most of the time we have to hit the jogger, hit the elliptical, hit something where there's a lot of movement involved and get our heart rate up. There's a huge portion of the population that does not have the ability to use their legs for that. They have blown out ankles, knees, hips. They're paralyzed, they're amputees. There's all kinds of people. They're senior citizens with osteoporosis where they can't really do those type of activities. Anybody can sit. I can take anybody and put them on this machine. If they can sit and get to my clinic, I have something for them. We are right cord and left cord, just like we're right-handed and left-handed. So it would be wrong to just do counterclockwise or clockwise. So we'll do 5 minutes clockwise, we'll come up, and we'll turn around and do 5 minutes counterclockwise, making sure that every time the patient comes in the office, or the athlete, he leaves balanced. We never leave someone leaving the office imbalanced. My name is Scott Bertrand. I'm the inventor of the AllCore 360. We're fortunate now to have the AllCore 360 sitting at 5 Labs in Tampa, Florida. If you're interested in our device, you'd like to give an opportunity to experience the challenge that the AllCore 360 has, I'd like you to shoot us an email or a message, and we'll make sure you get an opportunity to go over to 5 Labs.
So funny, just holding against gravity. Get you every time.